Welcome to the informative XIAOMI Redmi 4X, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should scroll down to sounds and vibration. Here we can see silent or don't disturb mode. Just to turn on silent mode we should switch regular to the silent, and by the same way we should switch silent to the regular one if you wanna change it. So also we have here volume buttons on the right side of our device. We can press it, one or just up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. And to activate silent mode we should use the switcher. If you wanna use it always or just for 30 minutes, 2 hours or 8 hours, just to turn it off we should click here once again on this switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.